Heavy rains and high winds hit Depok City, West Java, causing trees to fall, damage to billboards and severe damage to several buildings. This condition also led to power outages in several districts of Depok town. In addition to uprooting a number of trees, including those that caused the commuter train to stop running, heavy rain and strong winds also damaged a number of buildings, collapsed billboards and flew off the sign for Herman's Hospital. The West Java electricity service area has confirmed that there was a power outage because substation 622 at Depok was hit by a tornado. West Java Agung Nugraha reported that several pillars on Jalan Margonda Raya were uprooted due to strong wind gusts accompanied by heavy rain. A total of 303 substations have been brought back to normal and the remaining 319 are still in operation. So, heavy rain, hail, and strong winds in Depok yesterday were forms of extreme weather. The three elements of extreme weather, especially hail, are generally produced by cumulonimbus, CB, cloud. Like other clouds, CB clouds form through evaporation. However, when a CB cloud is formed, it means that the intensity of evaporation is higher, conventionally.